What's up guys, Carey with DrillFit Training. I am going to show y'all the Westside Barbell Inverse Curl Machine. It's also similar to like an assisted Nordic curl. Great for the hamstrings, for the whole posterior chain. 3 adjustments to be made on this machine is the whole foot complex moves forward or back according to your height or how long your legs are. The ankle pads, there's 2 sets, move up and down to be a little bit tighter over your ankle, or having it a little bit more loose and higher up will make the exercise even a little bit more difficult. And then you have the chest pad that moves up and down according to your height. You really want it set right below your chest at the bottom of your sternum is usually the most comfortable position. And then you can either hug around the pad as you do the movement or keep your hands back behind you. I'll go ahead and hop in and show you a few reps. You want your ankles on the upper part of that pad as you go through the movement and keeping your feet on that back platform, hugging onto this upper pad. So as I get into position here, you can see that my hips are just slightly back. So that's gonna keep the tension off of my low back, but I still have my core very braced as I go through the movement. Coming down, a lot of control at this exercise. Come almost to parallel and then initiate the squeeze of the glutes and hamstrings to come back up. Don't come completely back to the top because it'll come loose on your hamstrings. We want to maintain that constant tension. Good control, squeeze. If you take this chest pad and you move it down a little bit further, about halfway, it's only going to help you for that bottom portion of the exercise, and you have to do the rest of the work to come up on your own. So a couple more little adjustments that you can make to make it easier or harder. The weight, the more weight that you have on the machine, the easier it is to do the exercise. The less weight, it's going to be a lot harder because you're using a lot more body mechanics to be able to go through the motion. And that is going to be the inverse curl machine from Westside Barbell.